The JC Combined Index lost 3,000 points or 1% last week. 119 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, October 20, 2023. 46 made gains, 58 lost value, and 15 stayed the same. 68 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $327 million. Edufocal was last week's most traded stock. It took up 15% of market volume with 10 million shares trading. The stock gained $1.20 to open the week at $2.54. The stock was also the week's biggest gain, up almost 90%. Wigton traded the second highest. The stock gained 4 cents to open this week at 74 cents. And Mailpack rounded out last week's most traded with 5 million shares changing hands. The stock gained 19 cents to open Monday at $2.21. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. CAC 2000 was the market's second biggest gainer after Edufocal. The stock was up 25% to open Monday at $4.92. And PBS 9.75% cumulative redeemable was up 21% to open the week at $120.18. On the losing side now, JMMB 7.25 was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 59 cents to open Monday at $2. Cargo Handlers was the week's second biggest loser, opening the new week at $11.78. And PBS USD fell almost 15% to close the week at $1.54 US. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index lost 1% last week. National Enterprises was the most traded stock. The stock lost 5 cents to open this week at $3.50 TT. LJ Williams was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 14% to start the week at $2.39 TT. And on the losing side, Trinidad and Tobago NGL fell 15% to open Monday at $10.99 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones fell 2% last week, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were down about 3% last week. At the pumps, gas prices fell 25 cents last week, while diesel prices gained an additional $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $155.37 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 96 cents less than a week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $116.46 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $191.81 Jamaican, and you could buy €1 for $168.08 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices rose almost 9% over the past 5 days, trading at $30,834 US on Monday, while Ethereum was up 7%, trading at $1,680 US on Monday.